Number 2, lot S94 is a 1969 Shelby GT350 Fastback with a 351 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed. And it bid to $84,000 but did not sell on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 63,358 miles. And exterior color is orange, interior color black. And highlights 351 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-speed transmission, power steering, power front disc brakes, air conditioning, Philco AM radio, tachometer and gauges, bucket seats and console, Lucas fog lights, Shelby Magstar wheels, Goodyear Polyglass GT tires, deluxe Marty report. And according to the Marty report, the car has a 325 traction lock rear axle and a 4-speed close ratio manual transmission, has the sport deck rear seat, power steering, power front disc brakes, power ventilation, AM radio, tinted glass complete, deluxe belts warning light, tachometer and trip odometer, and it was sold new at J.C. Lewis Motor Company, Inc. in Savannah, Georgia. But it was another one. It was a nice car. It just didn't bring what the seller wanted, so it didn't sell. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.